BreathFIX nasal strip opens your nose for easier breathing during sleep and workout. Step 1. Clean and dry your nose. Make sure your nose is clean and free of oil, sweat, moisturizer, or any cream. Use plain water to gently clean and pat dry with a towel. Step 2. Peel the strip. Carefully peel the strip from its packing, holding the ends. Avoid touching the sticky side too much. Step 3. Place above your nostrils. Stick it across the bridge of your nose, right where the bony part ends and the soft part begins. Press and hold for 10 to 20 seconds for a strong grip. You'll feel your nose opening up instantly. Wear it while sleeping or during workouts. If the strip feels too strong to remove, wash your face with water. Once it's wet, the strip lifts off easily.